Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Probably don't need this video, but while the other one is loading, I kind of thought of another way to do it. And it's a pretty good way. If we take a 2-point line and just go like right there and then right through the middle of the top, and I'm going to zoom in to make sure I get it there. Probably not that big a deal. But then I'm going to select everything and make a duplicate. Okay. Now I am going to cut this line away. And if you think about it, that's the exact, and that was one of his requests. He wanted that exact curve. We can actually take those lines away. As long as you don't select the whole thing, it'll work. Now I'm going to make this red line red, and I'm going to nudge it over. But now I'm going to change my nudge factor like 0.02. And I'm going to click on that line, and you can tell I've got the whole thing now because it's way over here with a bounty box. Doesn't really matter which one you get, but I'm trying to just get the red line. And so if I do this, I just get the red line. Now let's just nudge this up and over and see how it's, if you do the nudging equally, it'll be perfect. Now it's a little bit, you need to make sure it's connected when we do this. So I'm going to take this and just take that same shape, and it's connected past the top. So now let's take the Smart Fill tool, and now our leaf is that much narrower. And we could have done more. He could act. What's good about this, he could actually, let's change our nudge factor to 0.01. And he could actually do another one and kind of have something to compare to. So I'm going to go up one and over one. And actually, you probably go down and try to get this thing quite even. And see, there it's going to be quite a bit different. Take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. And now you got a even narrower leaf by that much. So think about it that way sometimes when you're doing something. Make a copy and segment that line out of the way, and it'll still have it's close. It's a little bit, if you got really particular and went like 0.001 and grabbed your line and just went uphill a little bit, it'll keep that, that same definition. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.